How to schedule a text message with Easy Texting. To schedule a text campaign, click Create from the home screen, and then on Group Text. Select your campaign recipients, and then write your message. If this is your first time sending a text message, click on the iCard in the top right to view our Sending Your First Text Message video. After you have composed your message, scroll down and select the radio button that says Schedule for Later. From here, you can use the calendar to select the date and time of your choosing. Messages are sent based on the time zone set on your account, which can be configured in your account profile located in the top right. When you're all finished, click Done, and then on Review Message. The review screen will give you a summary of the contact list, estimated credit usage, and delivery date and time. If everything looks good, click on Schedule Message. Congrats! You've now successfully scheduled your first text message with Easy Texting.